রবিবার দিন সুপার কাপের ফাইনালে মুখোমুখি হচ্ছে ওড়িশা এফসি আর ইমামি ইস্টবেঙ্গল। তার আগে প্রি ম্যাচ প্রেস কনফারেন্সে উপস্থিত হয়েছিলেন ইমামি ইস্টবেঙ্গলের হেড কোচ কার্লোস কোয়াদ্রা আর ফুটবলার সল ক্রেসপো। এদিন উপস্থিত হয়ে দলের হেড কোচ এবং সল ক্রেসপো কি জানালেন সেটাই একবার শুনে নিন।
Unfortunately, we didn't win the World Cup, but we're not finding excuses. So we were trying to find solutions, and fortunately, we are in another final. 20 official games until now, and we have been winning the half of them, 10 official victories in official games, and also we have been drawing 6 of them. So it's only 4 losses in 20 games. It's quite a good number. Unfortunately, we have a bad period in the season that we lost 3 games in a row when we were conceding during 3 games in Indian Super League the result of 2-1 or 1-2. It was a difficult moment. We were struggling a little bit, but finally we get the solution, and now we are in another dynamic. So I agree with what you said. We don't have to find excuses. We lost these 3 games because we were not doing the right things. We have a lot of video analysis, we have a lot of talkings with the players. I think that it was not a footballistic problem, it was more a mentality problem, you know. Because one good dynamic takes you to a positive situations, one bad dynamic can hurt you a lot in your soul, you know, as a player, as a strong group. So it was difficult to change that dynamic. But finally we did that, and I think that now the players are showing another way to play the game in the pitch. I think that now the mentality is very positive. So yes, so far after 6 months of work, I think that being in different situations, in general we can say that the team is growing as a team. I have been part of a lot of finals. Finals give you experience because there is also that sentence in football that to win a final you have to lose sometimes before you know, to get ready to that kind of emotions, that kind of pressure, that kind of situation that you live in a final. In a final there is a lot of things happening, and it's difficult for the players, for the coaches, for everybody to control the emotions, you know. So yeah, it's quite a lot of finals that I have been participating in football, so I'm very proud of that because it means that the work is giving results. Talking about that moment when I was in Bengaluru, it's true that we have a very competitive team, and we start a kind of momentum that we were, I think personally, the best team in the country, also with Goa. And Sergio Lovera was in Goa at that moment. So I think that during more or less 2018, 19, 20, both were the dominant teams in the competitions, and both teams were reaching always the first 2 positions in the regular league and also reaching finals. So personally I'm very happy to be here again, to be again in a final, and to have the coincidence that it's going to happen again with Lovera. I'm sure that he's building a winner project in Odisha, I'm sure about that, and I hope that we also in East Bengal are doing that. I hope that we are building something for the future. Referees, and that there is not a lot of game match incidents and that kind of things that sometimes can change the result of the game. If we are lucky, both teams, and there is not a lot of things happening, it will be good for football. About the second question, I'm not going to answer that, logically. And about the first question, I think that the team is in a good dynamic. We are in a very good dynamic of results, that it's very important to have consistency in the performance. But it's the same with Odisha. They have been beaten also for a long streak of games. So unfortunately, for one of both teams, one of the team is going to lose, so it's going to break that good dynamic. So we always say in football that when you are unbeaten, you are getting closer to the game that you are going to lose again. Normal. And it's the same when you are losing, one day you are going to win. So yes, dynamics are there. Dynamics are very positive for both teams. And we know how difficult it's going to be. We know. Because Odisha have been the last match that they concede something. The last match that they don't get the victory was against us. So after our draw in Salt Lake 1 month ago, after that, they have been winning 6 games in a row. And also I was taking a look to the numbers. In the last 9 games, they have been with clean sheet in 7 games. So it means how strong is their defensive system. So it will be tough. It will be a very difficult game for us. But at the same time, I think that we are showing that we are scoring goals every game. It's important for us to play with the 6 foreigners because it gives us more options in attack. And also the solidity of Ijasi and Pardo in the defense are helping us to get the results. So I think that both teams arrive in a very special moment, and I'm happy to play again another big match against a coach like Sergio Lovera, because I know that he's a great tactical coach, and it will be always something special happening in the match about tactics. So it's something very nice for Indian football that we have that kind of duel tomorrow. Yes, hello everybody. It's a very good sensation to win a final again for the club that has been for a long time fighting for results, but results not happening. It's very important for us to be in another final. But of course, the important things of the finals is to win it. So this is the aim. We couldn't win the first one, so we'll try our best to get the result in that one. I think that it has been very positive for the players to stay here together in the Super Cup. I also have to say that it has been a perfect organization here in Odisha. Everything was working very well. The training facilities, the stadium, the hotels. So it was a fantastic tournament to play, and we are very happy that we have reached the final.